The Prime Minister's dream project will be inaugurated today. We're talking about the Kashi Vishwanath corridor. There's been so much buzz around the Kashi Vishwanath corridor, and today, in a few hours from now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to be touching down in his constituency to inaugurate this project. It's going to be a mammoth event, and he will reach the Kashi Vishwanath corridor via boat. This project is worth 399 crore rupees. The official inauguration will happen at 1 p.m. This mega project is expected to boost tourism in Modi's turf, directly connecting the temple with the Ganga Ghats. Now, the Kashi temple, the corridor really has 23 new buildings for pilgrims and also 40 restored temples. Around 3,000 seers are on the invite list. This massive corridor is spread over 5 lakh square feet area and is being seen as the Prime Minister's mega Vikas push for his constituency ahead of the UP Assembly polls. This grand inauguration event will take place after the Prime Minister's darshan and aarti at the main temple, which will also be followed by an informal meeting with chief ministers of several states on a river cruise. Prime Minister Modi will also attend the Ganga Aarti festivities being held at the river ghats in the evening.
एक तय समय सीमा के अंदर भव्य धाम न केवल भारत के आस्थावान श्रद्धालु जनों के लिए बल्कि काशी को वैश्विक पहचान देने की दिशा से आज तैयार हो गया है। पूरा काशी अपने लोकप्रिय सांसद और देश के लोकप्रिय प्रधानमंत्री जी के स्वागत के लिए उतावला है, आनंदित है। ये कभी आनंद कानन हुआ करता था, आज हर एक काशीवासी इस आनंद कानन का अनुभव काशी विश्वनाथ धाम के माध्यम से कर रहा है और ये धाम बनकर के तैयार हो चुका है।
देखिए, ये हम सबके लिए बहुत ही खुशी का विषय है कि आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी द्वारा कल काशी विश्वनाथ मंदिर का धाम का श्री गणेश होगा और ये जो 3000 स्क्वायर फीट की जगह थी मंदिर के परिसर की, वो आज 50,000 स्क्वायर मीटर की जगह बनी है और भव्य मंदिर बन करके और मंदिर का नवीनीकरण हुआ है। बाबा का आशीर्वाद आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी पर है और रहेगा और साथ ही साथ बाबा का आशीर्वाद सारे देश और दुनिया के लिए मंगलमय कामना के लिए हमेशा रहता है।
At the Kashi Vishwanath Dham corridor, devotees will also now see a statue of Maratha Queen Maharani Ahilya Bai Holkar, who once resurrected the temple. So this is what you see right there. This is once you enter, you can access the Sanctum Sanctorum. A lot of people still coming in, if you can see. Just let's make our way out. This is the mega screen right here. Whatever goes on inside will be displayed right here in front of us, in front of this screen. So this is what it looks like. This is the Prime Minister's pet project. Many in Varanasi actually look at it as the Prime Minister successfully pushing in through with the reform. There was resistance earlier on where lots of people from the residential colonies having an issue not giving up their land, but they were finally convinced to do so. I'll ask my camera person Hitesh to actually show you these old temples, which will also be now renovated, is what the government says to be part of the Kashi Vishwanath corridor. Hundreds, thousands of year temples, a lot of artifacts which have also come up. There is politics, understandably, because the opposition says that the Prime Minister is actually going through with the inauguration, even though the work is not complete, keeping in mind that elections are in order. But having said that, if one actually takes a look, this is grand, this is mega, and pretty much keeping in how this event is going to be celebrated. Divya Kashi, Bhavya Kashi. Reporting with camera person Hitesh Kumar, Preeti Chaudhary at the Kashi Vishwanath temple premises for India Today.
Let's take this across to Mohit Sharma. He's joining us live from Varanasi, getting us a ground report of what the situation currently is. Mohit, we've been getting glimpses of how preps are underway for this mega event. It's going to be very, very grand. It's all about symbolism and significance, keeping in mind that we're months away from an election. I can see those posters behind you also.
Well, exactly, Akshata. Good morning to you and all our viewers as well. And let's just show you as to how Kashi seems to have transformed overnight. Behind me, you can see a lot of posters, and I'll ask my camera person Pradeep Gupta to just pan out and show you the kind of the visually, how it seems that the inauguration is something that has been plastered all over Kashi, and that is something that has been, quite the point here as well, to showcase as to what Kashi has really become. We've been trying to show our viewers as well since past couple of days as well as to the kind of transformation that is being seen here. People, of course, welcoming the changes that have been brought in. They are hopeful of the fact that this would also bring in, or rather boost up the economy and transform this place as a place of religious economy, as a place of a religious hub. On the other hand, if you were to talk about the Prime Minister, who would be landing here in Kashi today at about 11 a.m., he's expected to be received by the governor as well as the UP CM Yogi Adityanath. Once he lands here, he would be going to one of the important temples here before actually going and inaugurating the entire corridor. So it is a tradition. It is said that before you actually go to the Kashi Vishwanath temple, you need to go to the temple of Kal Bhairav, and that's exactly something what the Prime Minister is also going to do. He would be going there at about noon, at about 12 p.m. From there onwards, he'll take a cruise ship, mind you. He'll take a vessel wherein he would be traveling from the Kal Bhairav Mandir towards the Kashi Vishwanath corridor in a vessel, and he would get down at one of the ghats, which will also be inaugurated, which are essentially a part of this entire corridor. Once he does that, he would then enter the Kashi Vishwanath corridor, and after the performance of various rituals and the various prayers is when we could expect the inauguration to actually happen at about 1:30. So it is going to be a busy day here. It is going to be quite an event, and of course we'll be bringing you all the updates.
Right, Mohit, thank you for joining us with all those details. Let me sum up for you in a detailed report now all that you need to know about the Kashi Vishwanath corridor. Why is there so much buzz over this project? It's being touted as the Prime Minister's dream project, all about transforming Kashi, all about transforming Varanasi. We break that down for you in this report, along with all the preparations that are underway.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi's dream project, the Kashi Vishwanath corridor, is finally a reality. Built over a sprawling area of 5,000 hectares, the grand structure is 50 feet long. The corridor connects the ancient Kashi Vishwanath temple of Lord Shiva with two revered ghats of holy Ganga. The corridor will immensely ease the access of pilgrims to the ghats, bypassing the narrow lanes in the millennium-old city. The structure in Prime Minister Modi's home constituency Varanasi will decongest the temple complex, earlier surrounded by buildings on three sides. The dazzling inauguration ceremony is named Divya Kashi, Bhavya Kashi. The city is decked up to welcome Prime Minister Modi. To mark the occasion, a colourful Shiv Barat was taken out in this city of Lord Shiva.
You can see a lot of number of students from Kashi have arrived at this place.
Enthusiasm and excitement surround Varanasi as devotees celebrate the mega event.
एक्चुअली एक तरह से हम लोग अपने विद्यालय में जैसे देव दिवाली बनारस में मनती है वैसे हम लोग शिव दिवाली मना रहे हैं.
BJP has planned month-long celebrations to mark the inauguration. Uttar Pradesh government will be distributing laddus as prasad to 8 lakh households of Varanasi.
वो भी बहुत अच्छा है. भगवान के लिए हम लोग प्रसाद बना रहे हैं और 8 लाख रुपया 8 लाख बांटने के लिए प्रसाद बना रहे हैं. बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है.
Women from different villages have come here to prepare these besan laddus, as order has been given to various centers. More than 3,500 centers have been made for the distribution purposes, while orders have been given to many famous shopkeepers.
The corridor is expected to give a mega boost to the religious tourism of Varanasi. Facilities for tourists have been enhanced without tampering with the original structure of the ancient Kashi Vishwanath temple. Among the part of the corridor are an over 7,000 square meter platform where 10,000 people can meditate. It also has 7 grand entrance gates for easy pilgrim movement. Hundreds of small temples have been made a part of the corridor. The mega spiritual and Vikas push in Modi's own turf may give a mega fillip to the Yogi Adityanath government ahead of the 2022 UP polls. Bureau Report, India Today.
So with the Kashi Vishwanath corridor being inaugurated by the Prime Minister today, let's focus on the political significance, because all of this is happening in the run-up to a very, very crucial election in Uttar Pradesh. First, of course, Varanasi is Prime Minister Modi's bastion. He's always spoken about developing Varanasi and making it a tourist hub. It's one of the most revered ancient Hindu sites, which is why the BJP is focused on Varanasi, on Kashi. It's showcased essentially as the Modi model of development. There's been a lot of focus on this constituency since Prime Minister Modi was elected from there, and he wants to give it a complete facelift. It's an ancient city, and very importantly is part of the Purvanchal area as a Vikas hub is the projection the BJP wants to give it. A mixture of spiritualism and empowerment also makes this particular area and this project so very significant, and it perfectly really fits into the BJP's Uttar Pradesh outreach of Vikas and also reaching out to their core voter base.